If you're looking for a place to stay in San Vicente, Palawan, then watch this video. Mao din ni ang Club Agutaya. And this is one of the resorts in the area that offers a bit of luxury and privacy. Tropical ang design sa ilang villa nga puwerte gyung dagkua. But the best part is it's prominently located in the longest beach in the Philippines. It is very convenient that it's only 10 to 15 minutes lang from San Vicente Airport, and they provide airport pick-up pa gyud. Smooth ang check-in and maabiyabihon gyud ilang staff. Ug naay pa welcome drinks pa.
Sana all.
So guys, we get a chance to stay sa ilang Queen Villa, and let's take a quick look. Here inside, they have the queen size bed. Unya diri nga side na storage rack, na television. Unya diri is na mini refrigerator, na water heater, na free water, unya na coffee and tea. It is spacious enough nga naapay duha ka couch diri ug naasay blinds nga curtains.
And this side guys, nasa like classic wardrobe with safety deposit box, hangers, bathrobe, hair blower, and of course, extra pillow. And guys, mao na ilang spacious na CR with retractable mirror. And of course, this side kay ang shower with basic amenities like conditioner, shampoo, and body wash.
Nasa sila nindot nga pool and a very nice beach area nga perfect gyud i-chill during sunset. Grabe kamingaw nga pwede gyud ninyo masolo ang tibuok beach. You can also book a private dinner setup like we did ha. Very VIP ang datingan ani, and lami sad ilang mga pagkaon. You get to enjoy plated breakfast of your choice ilang presko kayo nga restaurant or by the beach kung ganahan ka. Para inighuman, tampisaw na lang diretso sa tinaw nga tubig sa West Philippine Sea. You can book this directly sa ilang website or through Klook. You can use our code LUMADCEBUANO Klook to get discount. Syempre, automatic yun na. Unya, bisitahan niya ninyo ang San Vicente, Palawan. Perfect any for relaxation ilang lugar tungod sa ka-peaceful.